In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to force dark mode on all websites in Chrome. If you use Chrome on your Android device and find bright websites uncomfortable to look at, especially at night or in low light settings, this built-in Chrome option can make browsing a lot easier on the eyes. We'll be using an experimental Chrome setting, so the process is quick, but you'll want to follow each part carefully. First, open Google Chrome on your Android device. Make sure you're in the browser itself and ready to enter a web address, because the next step takes you to Chrome's internal experimental settings page rather than a normal website. Now tap the address bar at the top, type Chrome/flags, and then press Enter or Go on your keyboard. This opens the Chrome Flags page, which contains advanced features that are still being tested. Because this is an experimental area, the layout can vary slightly depending on your Chrome version, but the option we need is usually easy to find with search. Once the flags page loads, tap the search flags bar at the top. In that search field, type dark mode or auto dark. This helps narrow down the list so you don't have to scroll through a large number of experimental settings manually. After searching, look for the flag called auto dark mode for web contents. This is the setting that tells Chrome to automatically apply a darker appearance to websites, even if those sites don't officially offer their own dark theme. Keep in mind that because Chrome is forcing the appearance change, some websites may look slightly different than usual, but in most cases it works well and makes pages much more comfortable to read. When you find that flag, tap the box underneath it that probably says default. A small menu will appear with different options. Change that setting from default to enabled. By enabling it, you're instructing Chrome to turn on this experimental dark rendering behavior for web pages. After that, tap the blue relaunch button at the bottom of the screen. This is important because the change won't take effect until Chrome restarts. When Chrome relaunches, the browser will reopen with the new setting applied. From there, visit your favorite websites and you should start seeing many of them displayed in a darker theme automatically. If a page doesn't look quite right, that can happen occasionally with experimental features, but for most browsing, this is a simple way to get a more comfortable dark mode experience across the web in Chrome on Android.